Did you know that your credit score probably increased without you knowing it as of July 1st? Yeah, I know. Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? It's Debt-Free Joel. On today's personal finance tip, we're going to talk about what you probably didn't know about your credit scores, is that they probably automatically started increasing without you knowing it. If you like these type of videos, cool. Click the like and subscribe button, and let's get to it. Yep. There's a very good chance that your credit score probably increased without you knowing it on July 1st, or at least over the next few days. What happened was that the Biden administration, or at least the regulators that are in power as of right now, they took a look at the credit scores and they realized that many people have medical debt. So if you're one of them, I think you should pay attention. If you've had medical debt and it's went into collections, chances are it's appeared on your credit score and appeared on your credit report and has decreased your score. Now, you've probably done the good thing by trying to pay it off, but what happened was when you paid it off, it still appeared on your credit report. And as you know, if things appear on your credit report that have gone to collections, well, they actually negatively affect your credit score for a pretty long time. I think they don't drop off your credit score for almost 7 years. Well, starting July 1st, this is going to change. If you've had medical debt and you've paid it off, as of July 1st, that item should no longer appear on your credit report. Now, what does that mean? That means that your credit score is going to automatically increase. Why? Because when credit reporting agencies such as Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, when they look at your credit report and they try to determine your score, they look at things that are on collections. Well, if this administration is taking off, for example, all the medical debt that you've paid off over the years and that have been sent to collections, your credit score is going to automatically increase. That is really going to be good because I think they believe that about 70% of people who have things that go to collection is usually because of medical debt. Look, a lot of times we don't know what we're paying, how we're paying it when it comes to our medical debt, and we don't even know about it till like years later. And then by that time when we're trying to pay it off, all hell's breaking loose. So that's the first thing you should realize, is that your credit score may increase if you've had medical debt in the past that have been sent to collections and you paid it off. As of right now, as of this date, that should be removed from your credit report. The other thing to consider too is that if you have medical debt that's going to collections, what is going to happen is that it won't appear on your credit report until a year. This is actually being bumped up from 6 months. So previously, if you had medical debt and you were going into collections, after 6 months, it would appear on your credit report. Not so much anymore. As of July 1st, at least, if you have medical debt and it's being incurred to go to collections, after 12 months is when it appears on your credit report. Now, why is that important? That's important because your credit score is not going to automatically decrease after 6 months. It may decrease after 12 months, which gives you another 6 months to try to figure out a payment plan with, whether it be the hospital or whoever, the collections agency, to try to figure out how to make the payment. So that's going to affect a good amount of people. That takes away about 70%, like I mentioned before, of people who have certain types of medical debt that went to collections. Hopefully that goes away. Here's something else for you to consider. As of 2023, what they're considering is anybody who had medical debt that's less than 500, for example, they may say that this no longer appears on your credit report. Another reason why your credit score may increase. And they're still trying to figure out whether 500 or another amount should be considered. So all in all, some good news. So let's recap. Number one, if you've had medical debt and you've paid it off and it went to collections and it appeared on your credit report regardless, that's going to be taken off as of July 1st. The second thing is that if you have if you have medical debt and that medical debt has been outstanding for more than 6 months, let's say, for example, for collections, it's not going to be pushed up to 12 months before it appears on your credit report. And the third thing is that in 2023, any debt that's less than $500 as it pertains to your medical expenses are going to be removed from your credit report. This is actually pretty good. I think it's going to be something that can help a lot of people, especially minorities, as it pertains to credit scores, trying to get houses and cars. Remember, when you're looking for a job, they run your credit report. I didn't even know that, but yeah, this is something that they do. So take into account that at the end of the day, one of the most important things you can do is ensure that your credit score is appropriate. So take a look at your credit score, take a look at your credit report, and see if these medical debts have been removed. I'm Debt-Free Joel. If you like these type of videos, cool. Click the like and subscribe button. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at DebtFreeJoel. I put a ton of information on there about finances as it pertains to saving, investing, and most importantly, charity. Until next time, keep your money up.